Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to create a new TikTok ID in just a few simple steps. Do not forget like and subscribe. First of all, you open the TikTok app and then here you can see the sign up option. So click on it. After click it, here you can see char option. So phone number, you can see here phone number. Second option, continue with email. Third option, continue with Facebook. And fourth option, continue with Google. So I click the continue with Google. Last option, continue with Google. So I click it. After click it, here you can see the Gmail ID. So I select this Gmail ID because I creating my TikTok ID in this Gmail. Then you can see here the date of birth. So here you select the date of birth. Then click the continue option. Here you enter the nickname. Then click the continue option. Then here you can see your TikTok ID is created. Here you can see edit profile option. So you can change the profile photo. Also you can change name, username, and you write at bio. Here I select the profile photo. Then click the save option. You can see here name change option, username change option, and add a bio option. So this is the method. Please like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips.